In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create images using Canva. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking this video so others can find it. So the first thing you need to do is to open Canva. You can use any project that you're currently working on. The only thing that you need to do is to scroll down a little bit on the left and you're gonna select Magic Media. Go ahead and click on Magic Media, and this is where literally the magic happens. You're gonna select images, and all you need to do is to describe with 5 words or more the image that you're trying to create. So let's say that I have a yoga studio and I want to create an image of someone, maybe a woman doing yoga in my studio. So I'm going to ask Canva to create an image of a woman doing yoga in a yoga studio. Now simply click on generate image. You need to wait for a few seconds, but after a few moments, Canva is going to give you literally different images and options that you can use. For example, this image right here. We also have this one. And the great thing is that it's also going to give you different options. Some AIs only give you one image and they even take longer to make it. But Canva literally took 5 seconds. And now I have 4 different images that I can use for my yoga studio. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe down below and like the video. Bye.